Hello, my name is Anthony.
And I am Matt.
We're gonna go to Mars.
Yes.
Mars. Mars is a planet and this planet is in our solar system. I'm going to draw a circle because that's what Mars looks like. Are you sick of Earth always bringing you down? Do you dream of getting away, but never wake up?
If you answered yes to either of those questions, then now's your chance. Now is your chance to escape Earth and to live on Mars. This is the sun. We're going to merge it down on the left side of the screen. It is hot. Next up, we're going to go into the camera roll, pull up the Earth. The Earth is where we live. The Earth is 1 astronomical unit away from the sun, which allows us to live comfortably get that perfect. Bang, 1 astronomical unit. Now, we're going to merge this down and pull up Mars. About 3 Marses can fit into Earth. This is Mars. It's red-ish. We're going to put Mars slightly to the side of Earth, which would make it a little bit more than 1 astronomical unit away from the sun. This is your chance to move away from Earth and start something new.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Matt, the expert of science on Mars. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the atmosphere, okay? It is 100 times thinner than Earth's atmosphere. Crazy. And it's 95% carbon dioxide. The atmosphere is too thin to support life. So they say.
It's different because we're on Mars.
Let's move it a little bit into the temperature. Mars is very cold, much colder than Earth. And since its atmosphere is so thin, it can't retain heat or energy. On average, it is a negative 60 degrees Celsius in the winter at the poles. They can get down to negative 125 degrees Celsius. And on a summer day near the equator, it can get up to 20 degrees Celsius. So you can technically go outside here in the day, but at night it gets back down to negative 73 degrees Celsius.
What you are about to see is leaked footage of the first astronauts to land on Mars and confront the hostile inhabitants.
me. I've lived on Mars for my whole life now.
I have a husband. His name is John Cena. Here he is lifting me. He's a pretty strong guy. He likes to lift. This is my first wife, Selena Gomez. We're riding bicycles together. We had a good time. And here's my second wife, Beyonce. This is us at some awards.
We've had children, but there aren't any laws here, so we kind of just got rid of them.
An average day on Mars for me in my condo is pretty basic and peaceful. I wake up, usually with my clothes already on, stretch out, give a good yawn, make my way over to my desk, grab my space juice, crack one open, and chug. Next, I make my way over to the bathroom to take care of my daily business. It usually doesn't take too long, but I'll be right back. After the bathroom's finished, I make my way over to the condo view room so I can see nature. I press myself very close to the glass because it's extremely important to feel as though you are one with nature. Learn to appreciate everything about it. Never stop loving nature. Here are some of the pictures that I would see if I was to look out of my view room. First up are the polar ice caps. Those are at the north and south of Mars. Next up are the canyons. Those are all around Mars. You can see them just about anywhere you look. It's pretty cool. The locals tend to shred the gnar there. There's also volcanoes on Mars, which kind of scares me sometimes, but we're protected by our condo, so nothing's going to happen to us. Occasionally, if it gets too windy, there's a sandstorm.
I love the sand. I love it so much. The sand's just like my favorite. I can't get over it. Like, I just don't know what I would do without sand, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Sometimes I pick it up in my hands because I really like how it feels like when it runs through your fingers and like falls onto the floor. Like, I just love the sand. Like, I don't know what else to say. The rest of my day is pretty basic. On Mars, it's always lit.